Hello guys, welcome back to a new video where we are going to see how to make this trending flash warning effect in a single app. Yes guys, just one app we are going to create these kind of trending flash warning videos. So for that, first I'm going to decide which sticker or which image I'm going to use in this video. So for today's explanation I'm going to use the Iron Man image. So just download the image that you want in your video in PNG format. So I have downloaded this pose of Iron Man in PNG format and I have recorded this video in a way that at the end I finish with that pose. So now we are going to use the software called as Viva Cut. Just create a new project and insert that video that we just recorded. So I will just first remove the unwanted parts in the front. So let's start the video from here. I'm just splitting that unwanted part and I have deleted that. Now if I play and see, just stop at the pose where you want the Iron Man image to be shown, and let's make a freeze frame here. So select the video and select freeze frame and select add as clip. Now when you play and see, you'll have a frozen frame of that pose. So let's remove those unwanted portions and increase the length of this freeze frame. So when you play and see, you have a frozen frame of that pose similar to the Iron Man image we have downloaded. So let's now import that Iron Man image. For that, just go to the overlay button and select the PNG image that we have downloaded. I'm just scaling it in such a way that it matches with my pose. I know it doesn't match perfectly, but yeah. So let's extend this PNG image up to which we want the image to be seen on the video. So now we have the PNG at the top. So my plan is like I want myself to be revealed few seconds between the flash. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim off few portions of the PNG. For that, I'm just going to select that PNG layer and I'm just going to play pause split. I'm just making many splits of that video. So every time you split, make sure that you select that latest splitted video to make the next split. Play, pause, split, select that latest video. Select, play, pause, split, select. Yeah, that's how I have splitted that PNG image into different parts. Now what I'm going to do is just select every single split and reduce its length. So I'm just selecting the first clip, reducing it a bit, and going to select the second, third, fourth. I'm just reducing the size of those images a bit so that I will be visible for a few seconds in the video. So if I play now and see, it looks like this. So that's it guys. If you don't want you to be visible, you need not just do this step. If you want you to be visible, you can just trim off and export this video. So now we have exported this video. Just create a new project and import this video into that project. So now we have the video here. So just a simple step guys, go to the position where you want that flash warning to start. So this is the point we want our flash warning. Go to that point and select the VFX option down and select any of the flash warning effect that you like. Press and hold until which you want that effect to be played. So now we have the flash warning effect, and to add a bit more a bit more flashy feel, just go to the VFX tab and go to the trendy sub tab, inside which you'll have as flash black. Simply press and hold the same once again till the end, and if you play it, you'll have this trending flash warning effect video. Yes guys, our trending flash warning effect video is ready. So let's just export it. Here I have not added any music, but you can directly add it through add music option in the same app. The trending music name is Scary Gary. You can just search in Instagram if you are adding it as a reel. So yes guys, these are the two flash warning videos that I have made. So I hope this video was helpful for you to make a similar flash warning video and get viral on Instagram. So do try out guys and have fun. Dormirse en la cama, darse prisa en tu If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, do share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's your Carrier signing off.